Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with FactoHR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in factohr.com/employee-self-service and press enter. You will now be taken into the FactoHR employee self-service page. Click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now you can type in your work ID or your phone number that you have set up while creating your account. After typing this in, click on the submit button and you will be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password within the next screen and click on the login button and you will be logged in to your FactoHR employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the forgot password button within the password screen, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your FactoHR employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.